early in the new week. Has issued a flood watch for portions of Delaware, Northeast Maryland, New Jersey, and Pennsylvania, including the following areas: in Delaware, Delaware beaches, inland Sussex, Kent, and Newcastle. In Northeast Maryland, Caroline, Cecil, Kent, Maryland, Queen Anne's, and Talbot. In New Jersey, Atlantic coastal Cape May, Camden, Cape May, coastal Atlantic, coastal Ocean, Cumberland, eastern Monmouth, Gloucester, Hunterdon, Mercer, Middlesex, northwestern Burlington, Ocean, Salem, Somerset, southeastern Burlington, Warren, and western Monmouth. In Pennsylvania, Berks, Delaware, eastern Chester, eastern Montgomery, Lehigh, Lower Bucks, Northampton, Philadelphia, Upper Bucks, western Chester, and western Montgomery. From Thursday evening through late Friday night, periods of light to moderate rain will continue this afternoon through tomorrow. A brief break in the rain is expected early tomorrow evening before it once again intensifies and becomes more widespread tomorrow night. Periods of moderate to heavy rain are then expected to persist into at least Friday, possibly into the weekend. General rainfall amounts of 2 to 4 inches are expected the next 72 hours, with the highest totals along and south of the Interstate 78 corridor. Locally, higher amounts are possible across the same area as thunderstorms are expected to periodically develop. A variety of flooding types are all possible within the flood watch area. First, low-lying and poor drainage flooding is the most likely type of flooding to develop. Second, flash flooding will be possible under the stronger thunderstorms. Flash flooding occurs quicker than other types flooding due to the torrential rain thunderstorms can produce in a short amount of time. Flash flooding is most likely to occur across urban areas where rainfall runoff is maximized and where small creeks and streams respond quickly. The current time. The following is a flood watch statement. Flood watch in effect from Thursday evening through late Friday night. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly has issued a flood watch for portions of Delaware, Northeast Maryland, New Jersey, and Pennsylvania. Periods of light to moderate rain will continue this afternoon through tomorrow. A brief break in the rain is expected early tomorrow evening before it once again intensifies and becomes more widespread tomorrow night. Periods of moderate to heavy rain are then expected to persist into at least Friday, possibly into the weekend. General rainfall amounts of 2 to 4 inches are expected the next 72 hours, with the highest totals along and south of the Interstate 78 corridor. Locally, higher amounts are possible across the same area as thunderstorms are expected to periodically develop. A variety of flooding types are all possible within the flood watch area. First, low-lying and poor drainage flooding is the most likely type of flooding to develop. Second, flash flooding will be possible under the stronger thunderstorms. Flash flooding occurs quicker than other types flooding due to the torrential rain thunderstorms can produce in a short amount of time. Flash flooding is most likely to occur across urban areas where rainfall runoff is maximized and where small creeks and streams respond quickly. The rain has to go somewhere and eventually lead to larger streams and rivers. This is where the third type of flooding is possible. If you live across the Passaic, Raritan, and Rancocas basins in New Jersey, or the Neshaminy, Schuylkill, and Brandywine basins across Pennsylvania and Delaware, keep an eye on later forecasts. These forecasts, as well as all of our hydrologic forecasts, can be accessed via our Advanced Hydrologic Prediction Service website. At 3 p.m.
Pennsylvania. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a flash flood warning for west central Westmoreland County in southwestern Pennsylvania until 12:45 a.m. At 10:39 p.m., radar indicated heavy rainfall. Flash flooding expected. Estimated rainfall 1 to 2 inches. Some locations that may experience flooding include West Newton, Streetersville, Turnaround, Holmes Round. Most flood fatalities occur in vehicles. Please report flooding by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh.
Atlantic by this point. Flood watch statement. Flood watch now in effect from 6 p.m. this evening through Saturday afternoon. The flood watch is now in effect for portions of Delaware, Northeast Maryland, New Jersey, and Pennsylvania, including the following areas in Delaware, Delaware Beaches, Inland Sussex, Kent, and Newcastle. In Northeast Maryland, Caroline, Depot, Kent, Maryland, Queen Anne's, and Talbot. In New Jersey, Atlantic, Coastal Cape May, Camden, Cape May, Coastal Atlantic, Coastal Ocean, Cumberland, Eastern Monmouth, Gloucester, Hunterdon, Mercer, Middlesex, Northwestern Burlington, Ocean, Salem, Somerset, Southeastern Burlington, Warren, and Western Monmouth. In Pennsylvania, Berks, Delaware, Eastern Chester, Eastern Montgomery, Lehigh, Lower Bucks, Northampton, Philadelphia, Upper Bucks, Western Chester, and Western Montgomery. From 6 p.m. this evening through Saturday afternoon. Periods of light to moderate rain will continue this evening, and then heavy rain will move into Delmarva tonight. Periods of moderate to heavy rain will persist into Saturday. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 5 inches are expected over the next 72 hours, with the highest totals occurring in Delmarva and far southern New Jersey. Locally, higher amounts over 5 inches are possible in flooding and thunderstorms. A variety of flooding types are possible. Low-lying and poor drainage flooding will be the most common type of flooding to develop. Flash flooding will also be possible if thunderstorms repeatedly move over the same locations, especially in urban areas where rainfall runoff is maximized and where small creeks and streams respond quickly. Flash flooding occurs quicker than other types flooding due to the torrential rain thunderstorms can produce in a short amount of time. Several days of excessive runoff will eventually lead to a risk of flooding in larger streams and rivers, though the extent of the flooding will depend on where the heaviest rain falls. A flood watch means there is a potential for flooding based on the current time is